Hey everyone, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source in Jacksonville, Florida. I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about this really nice 2003 Jeep Wrangler X. We just received this Jeep on trade. It was traded in on an unlimited Wrangler. It's a really clean Southern Jeep, just under 86,000 miles, 4-liter inline 6, automatic transmission, factory 373 gears, cruise control. The AC is nice and cold, really clean inside and out. Got a lot of pictures on our website, premierautosource.com. I encourage you to go to our website and take a look. Got a lot of detailed photos, the inside, the underside. I thought I'd take a minute to walk around and share this with you. This has a nice 4-inch lift, 1-inch body lift. Rides really nice. I've driven the Jeep. Really good road manners. It's got heavy duty steering, adjustable track bar on the front of it, Line X factory fender flares, got a nice EAG steel bumper. It's ready to mount a winch on it if you'd like. Some rock slider side steps. The BFG K02 tires are in good shape. I'd say about 50% tread. They ride nice. Those are 33 1050 15s. Of course, that's the factory wheels. It's got some other nice little extras. It has a set of mirrors that you can use on it. If you take the top off of it, it also has a desktop Jeep trunk that allows you to lock up your valuables. If you have the top off the Jeep, that's the mirrors that go with the brackets. The aftermarket mirrors. Paint's in really good condition. The interior is nice and clean as well. It's got some plastic mats. It's got a really nice little lockable compartment under the driver's seat. 85,925 miles as it sits right here today. Runs nice and cool. No lights. Factory radio. Factory AC, of course, automatic transmission. Got the original window sticker to this Jeep. Also, that's a bikini top sunshade that is under the factory top there, so it comes with two tops basically. Please feel free to call or text me at 904-382-7230. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have about the Jeep. Also on our website, you will find a link to Lightstream. We recommend them for financing. If I missed anything, if you'd like some more detailed photos or video of something in particular, just reach out and let me know, and I'll be happy to accommodate. Look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day. Thank you for your interest.